desserts. It's one of my favorite things. And today we're going to share our favorite Upper West Side dessert locations.
Now this might be a lot because we've chosen our top 5 places to go. So I'm going to bring Tupperware and we're just going to share one at each.
Maybe we'll get a salad for lunch.
Ooh, it's a salad.
All right, let's go.
This is Magnolia Bakery on 69th and Columbus. Their original location is in the West Village. They're really famous for their cupcakes, which are mentioned in Sex and the City and Devil Wears Prada, but the banana pudding is really great, so we're gonna try some.
So I would say if you're looking for something in the morning that's a dessert, that banana pudding is the bomb.
I'm glad we started with it.
Yeah.
It was great.
Off to our next one. If you're looking for the best cookie, not only on the Upper West Side, but in New York City, make sure you head to Levain's Bakery on 74th and Amsterdam. Now the line gets pretty long, but it moves quickly. But if you're impatient, there's one around the corner that you can also go to. So let's go have some cookies. Chocolatey and nutty and delicious.
Next up is Cafe Lalo on 83rd in Amsterdam. It's famous for the scene in You've Got Mail, and they also have a full bar for boozy milkshakes, but we aren't doing that right now. Let's go.
Next up is Milk Bar on 87th and Columbus. And if you haven't watched the Chef's Table on Netflix episode of the founders of Milk Bar, I recommend you go check it out. They're known for their cereal, milk ice cream, and there's a lot of locations around New York, but we like this one. So let's go check it out. Last one, we've made our way up the Upper West Side to 105th and Broadway. Silver Moon Bakery is definitely the unsung hero of the Upper West Side. If you ever want to splurge on a birthday cake, do so here. And we're gonna see what they recommend. Whew. That's really good.
had pudding, cookies, cheesecake, ice cream, and hot chocolate.
Oh, man, that's a lot of dessert.
But I have no regrets. Everything was delicious.
No regrets. That was some of our favorite dessert locations on the Upper West Side. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope that you also try some of them out. Personally, I think today my favorite was the cheesecake at Cafe Lalo.
I love the banana pudding, but I liked all of them.
Oh,
If you guys want more information about New York City or travel tips, be sure to check out lifenomading.com.
see it.
Cannot eat all of this.
Behind the scenes.
6 ounces of lots of calories and butter.